And what's up, guys? It's the All Water Fishing Club here with Pepe. We got here, and this is the Happy Father's Day fishing day, man. Come on, my daddy. We actually came in a good time. It's around 12, and we came to Eldridge Park. Happy Father's Day fishing, fishing edition. So let's go get this bass. Now it's super hot, but we're finna go into the water right now. I'm gonna try to get a little fresh and catch some big bass. And I'm very excited, man. I'm very excited for this day. With my daddy over there putting in work. And let's go see what we got. All right, guys, stay tuned. But all right, my people. My dad's already ahead. We had to come in through. We're gonna have to climb that big old mountain. No, I would never do that. The little presa's right over there. And let's go for it, y'all. Let's go. This recording, yeah. Check it out, guys. We up in here live. We're gonna be fishing in this little part. Let's see how it looks, man. Oh yeah, it looks nice. Let me get up here, record real quick. Hold on. All right, guys, so we're coming. Oh yeah. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh, I need to lose weight. Look at my daddy over there, y'all. He's gonna go down. All right, sir. Example to us. How would you get down? Go. Y'all see that, guys? Live action right there. Just like that. Just like that. Move those hips. Quit playing, man. Let's go down. Come on. That's how you do it, man. Little vertical run. Sideways, circle, sideways. And get there in safety. And voila. Oh, look, guys. We got a sucker fish. All dried up. Pretty cool. And we are here, guys. Woohoo! We're gonna get in that water, guys. Yes, in that water. So let's do have some fun, man. Lord Jesus. All right, guys, let's go do this. Oh, I see a turtle right in the water right there.
Wait. They recording?
What's up, y'all? I want a fishing club. Let's go get some bass. All right, guys, here I go. To the water I go. Oh, it ain't that bad. How's the stick? All right, guys. I stick here. Let's do this, my people.
God, my dad got one. Let's go. Oh my God. Look at me. He just popped his line. That was a big one. He was running. I saw that too. That was a big one.
Fish on, guys. Oh. Fish on, and you got guys. Well, my dad missed one and I missed one. He literally got off right here on the side. And man, it's pretty good. It's pretty good today. That's crazy, man. We're literally catching them like right here. And it's pretty freaking cool. Now let's go to that side. Let's see if I can make it, all right? I'm gonna make the leap for it. Leap of faith. Boom. Safe and sound. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Ooh, it's a good one. Oh, diggy, doggy. Oh, it's a good one, doggy. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, got it. Let it go. We got another run. Guys. Let's go. Oh, let's go, guys. That's a big one. We got some big one. All right, guys, caught me this nice big bass right here. Look at it, check it out. Yeah, let's go. Let's put that boy back. Ooh, it's all big one. Let's go catch some more, y'all. I caught that boy right here too, like. But daddy just caught a big one, bro. And I gotta go over there because my daddy just caught a good one. Let's go, puppy. Oh, look at that big one, guys. Oh, that's a. Come on, daddy, let's go. Oh my God. Look at that epic. Look at the rod, guys. Look at that bass. Oh my God, you gonna break your rod. He's guys, this is a monster. Show it off. Oh! Let's go. Guys, my dad just caught another bass. Oh, that's the biggest. Guys, there's biggest everywhere here. Oh my God. That's a huge